Hi, my name is Billy, and I'm here today with the Dyson Digital Slim DC62 Animal, and I'm here to do a customer review and see how well it actually works. Brand new out of the box, here we go. Well, we have flour, dog food, coffee and tea, and crackers. We'll see how well it does on the floor. Shush! We're filling. So far, so good on the floor. Let's see how she does on carpet. Pretty good, I have to say, so far. And I have to say, overall, is my review, just on this little test area, it's fairly light. I like the way the angle is maneuverable. So my review, I would have to say, for the money, it does what it says it's going to do. It's nice and lightweight. The maneuverability is really good as far as getting around corners and everything like that. It's very pricey. I think they could come down on the price for that. But overall, I'd have to say it's a pretty good little vacuum. Thank you for watching, and I recommend you go out and get one.